Hello everyone. So my topic is steady states of linear system. So the definition for the steady state goes like in the context of linear system, a steady state occurs when the system's variable like concentration, temperature, etc. do not change over the time. So this means that the system reaches an equilibrium point where all the inputs and outputs balance out, resulting in constant values for the system's variables. So in mathematical terms, there is a representation. It is represented as a state where the derivation of each variable with respect to time 0, and the mathematical representation for the linear system represented by a set of differential equations. The steady state is found by setting. This converts the differential equation into an algebraic equation, which is this. And so the balance of outputs and inputs. So in steady conditions, the rate of inflow equals to the rate of outflow for each of the system. For example, an electrical circuit, the current entering a node equals to the current leaving it. And in chemical kinetics, the rate of production of a species equals its rate of consumption. Then comes the stability of steady state. Stability indicates whether the system will return to the steady state after a small distribution. Steady state is stable if the system returns to equilibrium following a slight perturbation. Mathematically, stability can be analyzed by examining the eigenvalues of the system matrix. If all the eigenvalues have a negative real parts, the steady state is stable. And the applications of steady states in controlling the in control systems and in engineering. So the steady states are crucial in the field like chemical engineering, electrical circuits, and control systems, where maintaining a stable output is important. In control system, achieving and maintaining a steady state is often a goal, as it signifies consistent system performance without fluctuations. Then comes our next topic, coupling of chemical reaction to transport of matter. So coupling refers to mechanism by which a chemical reaction, often one that releases energy, is linked to the transport of molecules or ions across a membrane. This coupling enables cells and systems to achieve tasks that would otherwise require external energy inputs. By linking reactions, energy from one process is used to drive another process, like moving substances against their concentration gradient. So energy dependence and active transport. Many transport processes are energetically unfavorable, like moving of ions from low concentration to high concentration. And coupling with an energy releasing reaction like the hydrolysis of ATP allows the cell to overcome this. For example, the sodium potassium pump uses ATP to transport sodium ions out of the cell and potassium ions into the cell, both against their gradients. Co-transport mechanisms, symport and antiport. So the coupled transport mechanism including symport and antiport involve the simultaneous movement of two substances. In symport, both molecules move in the same direction across the membrane, while in antipode they move in opposite direction. For instance, glucose is transported into the cell by coupling its movement with sodium ion in a sympod mechanism. And then comes the role of electrochemical gradient, especially ion gradients such as proton gradients across mitochondrial membranes, provide a stored form of energy. This energy can be harshened for ATP synthesis in process like oxidative phosphorylation, where protons flow down their gradient during ATP production. Then comes the biological and physiological examples. So sodium potassium pump. This pump found in all animal cells moves 3 sodium ions out of the cell and 2 potassium ions in, powered by ATP. It helps maintain cellular ion balance and osmotic stability. Proton pumps in mitochondria. During the cellular respiration, electron transport chains in the mitochondria creates a proton gradient across the membrane, which drives ATP synthesis. And nutrient uptake in intestines. Cell lining in the intestines uses sodium glucose symporters to absorb glucose efficiently by coupling glucose intake with sodium transport, making nutrient uptake with more efficient even when glucose concentration is low. So coupling chemical reactions with matter transport is essential for many biological and industrial processes, allowing systems to achieve efficiency and functionality beyond what would be possible with single isolated reaction. Thank you and have a nice day.